And look come Charles, them drop my belly. I think
Yo, black when you talk, Black when you talk. You
like
know, like,
them
your expression
drop my
reflect.
belly. And I'm telling you, sit down, I'm a ball. I'm a cry, I'm here say, I shouldn't believe her, I shouldn't believe her, I shouldn't stay home.
Anyway, welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being podcast. Until we have the lovely defending 800-meter champion, Kellyanne Beckford. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, but you can't do good. You must do great. Let me tell
Sure.
you, let me tell you. Let me see boy you so far. Champs, gold medalists from a non-traditional school, very rare. D2 national champion, Big 12 record holder indoor. Come on, man. Come
Sure,
on, man.
sure.
You see
I'm
me?
doing great.
Yeah, I beat couple of national record holder, so it's only time. You see
That's
me?
true, that's true.
Yeah, now you can't just say I the good one. I find that. I find that, man. But how everything's still.
Um, it's going pretty good so far. I'm currently at camp in Florida, and I think camp is challenging, but it's going okay.
Yeah. Yeah, me not tell you lie. I think last year me talked to Navaski around the same time when he came that
For real?
one. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah, he need a
crazy.
Florida. Yeah, because I think he need out a door when I do it.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
cause I know
that
spot.
makes
No
sense
Maryland
then.
there right now, okay? That's snow.
Yeah, like cool, and then last week we get from Jamaica, so
Oh, see those are rich buck.
literally,
Mm-mm. So you go. So
true.
alright, tell me about, Kellyanne growing up. Let's start at let's start at Albertown. Tell me before you reach Albertown. Hi. Household growing up.
So I'm from a very humble household. I grew up with my mom, my parents. Then I left to stay with my aunts.
Where'd you grow up?
Children,
Okay.
yeah. So I grew up very poor. I know what it felt like to sleep on a bed with four siblings. Um,
Yeah, number one.
with a
Nice sibling.
oh last
Oh, number four.
8. My parents got 8 kids,
Eh?
5 boys and 2 girls.
Man. Man, they are it, man.
So, and then my grandmother, she have like 14 kids.
Yeah, man.
So
That feed them generation, is me. Yeah.
well, that's true. So yeah. Then I left to stay with my aunt. I think I was around 8 years old.
Mhm.
Yeah. Then I went to then I went to wait a bit college school. Then I went on to the Alberton I
Hold on. Wait, you say all this school call? Wait a bit.
yeah.
I was married no one do that. I'll come up with a name there.
Wait a bit college school,
Eh.
please.
Oh my god, wait a
No,
bit.
I think thinking about it now probably sound a little strange, but
Yeah, it sounds
yeah,
strange. You know,
not
sound
that
like a
strange,
school.
but just a little. That's strange.
Yeah.
But
So
yeah,
Alberto and I.
if I said the Alberton I
Oh, sorry. The Alberto
yeah,
and I. My what?
yeah, yeah. Then I went from there to GC Foster College. Then I transferred from GC Foster College to Lincoln University. Then I
Mm,
left from Lincoln University to the
yeah.
University of Houston.
All right. Go
So I've
back
been
a little
touring.
bit. Hold on. Go back a little bit. Little bit. The Albertone.
Yeah,
Hi. Yes. You have to talk about it. Listen, we don't know you. So we need to know the story you're going to tell me. It's journey I carry
that's
on. You see
fair.
me? Yeah,
Okay.
so all right. You go there. I want to start track and field. All them things there. You see me?
All
You just
right.
go there as a regular student or what?
Regular students started track and field in grade 8. So I was at to the Alberton High School. They're a shift school. So yeah, from
Oh.
7 p.m. to 12 p. So 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then from 12 to 5 p.m. So my high school best friend, she was on a track team. And then one
Mm.
day, I think we were chilling at lunch, and she was like, what did you do this morning? And I was like, I'm tired of doing chores. Every day I keep cleaning the bathroom. And she was like, I was at practice. And I was like, you're at practice? And she was like, yeah, I was at practice. And I was like, what time practice? And she was like, oh, 8 a.m. And I was like, wait, I think that's the time I'm cleaning the bathroom. So I was like, if I join track team, I don't gotta do any chores.
Yeah.
So I think I went to the coach and I was like, I wanna run track. And she was like, oh, you're what? And I was like, I'm a sprinter. And then,
Sprinting a what? 100 meter?
yes. And then,
I love to see that right now. Man. I tell no lie.
and I went to practice. I think the first day, I think we are doing some strides, and then I was the last person standing, and she was like, "Nah, you're not gonna run the 800 meter," and I was like, "The 800 meter, I'm a sprinter," and she was like, "Nah, the 800 meter," and then
Yeah,
that's where I started.
that's how it started. So
That's where
the
I started.
school they had like an established track team before you got there. They didn't just a startup.
I think I just started. I think it was just a bunch of new kids.
Okay, and those happen to be your friend a part of the track team.
Yes. And I was like,
So
what? Let me just join.
so you end up ever like beat her. What event she did do?
She did the 400,
Okay.
but then she did the 800 after. I think one time we're at Western Champs, and then my coach was like, beat Kellyanne. But no, she did. Yeah, but she did.
So you there in the project also Alberton, V Alberton.
Yeah, the Alberton. I think I did it once. I think I ran like 102 minutes and 2 seconds.
Not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it can't go on. It can't go on. Yeah,
sure, sure.
yeah, it can't go on. So alright, when I realize you have something did it, cause I guess personally no boy can't tell me say me go run a 800 meter. I can't live 100 meter and run a 800 and then isn't me. But you have to realize something at some point because again you win champs,
Yeah,
isn't me.
yeah.
So when you realize that,
So I think in eighth grade, I went to Champs. Then I won my eights in the 800 meter, but then I
mm,
got DQ. I think they said I
why
stepped on the line or something, something
did
around
you?
there. I think I did.
Okay,
Maybe.
confession
But
good
I
for
got
your heart.
true. No, I was crying. I was crying so bad. Then I was like, you know what? Let me just train hard. Then I went back the next year, and then I won the 1500 meter.
Oh, at the 50
'Cause
you win.
yes, because I think so I got DQ the year before,
Yeah.
and I think I was just scared of running the 800 meter again because I was like,
Oh,
maybe God is showing me a sign. Maybe God is saying, this is not your calling. So I was like, you know what? Let me just step down. Then I went back to the 1500 meter. Then I
mm,
won champs that year.
mm. Yeah. All that feel.
And I feel it was amazing because I think on the second to last lap I fell. And then I
Really.
remember my coach was like, Kellyanne, when you fell, we are like, oh my God, that's it. And I was like, I want this so bad. Then I got up. I just keep going and going and going. I remember I was just running and running and running. I think
That's
that
all.
same
Class
year.
three. Class three.
Yes,
Class two.
yeah, class three. Last year, class three. I know what's crazy. I also qualified in the 800 meter. So I had the finals, I think, the next day. I remember I was on the track that
Yeah.
day, and I don't know, I think the crowd got to me because I was standing there and everyone was cheering, and I blacked out.
Oh my.
No, I blacked out. I remember laying there. I was on a tent, and I saw my coach coming, and she was like, "Where's Kellyanne? Where's Kellyanne? Where's Kellyanne?"
Yeah.
And I opened one of my eyes, and I was like, "Lord, I'm dead." And she was like, "Oh, no, nothing is wrong with her. Get up, get up, get up. You're okay." Uh, yeah.
Shut your
And
boy.
then I
So
think that
what
was the last time
happened?
I did the 800 meter.
That was the last time. So
That was the
between
last time
class
in high
three and
school.
class one, I was 15.
Yeah, I was done.
Just so.
Yes, because I was like, maybe God is showing me a sign.
Nah, but that's stubborn, man.
No,
That's
for real,
stubborn.
because the year for DQ, the other year, faint in the final,
Eh.
sign.
Something resilience. Or to get up back and try again.
No,
After that,
thinking about it now, true,
yeah.
true.
But I
That's
mean, you
fair.
get what you're supposed to get, isn't me? So what
That's
what
true.
many of the years? coming up, like the 15 from class two, class one.
Class two. So class two, I'm not even sure what went wrong. But I left high school in class two. So I didn't do my
Really?
class one. Yeah. I went to GC first year. I was 17 years old. I think
Mm.
my so I was supposed to go to Idle High for sixth form.
Yeah.
I think my high school coach was like, "No, Kellyanne, just go to GC faster. You gotta start college at some point." Because I think growing up, I've never thought about going to college. Because I think
Yeah.
my parents they were so poor, and then I think we are just talking about, okay, I'm going to some art school, probably cleaning some hotel room or something around that line. I remember the
So
first time
what?
my coach asked,
So I'm to like CXE, no liquor, like just go straight.
okay,
So
now I did 6 year,
okay.
now I did, now I did no 6 year.
Come here, say brother, let's go clean hotel room. So no man, that was
No,
that.
I did my 6 year, but I think I've never had a dream of just going to college. I think the first time I thought about going to college, I think my students counselor, she was talking to some girl. I think she was saying something about, you can take up some student loan. There's no one
Mm,
can tell you what to do in the future. You got the final say. And I was like, maybe I can go to college then.
yeah.
And then I think after class two, I was talking to my coach and he was like, just start GC faster college. By 21 you can have a degree. And I was like,
I mean,
okay, let me just go to
true,
GC.
true.
Then I went
So
to
how
GC
was
faster.
GC?
Hmm. I think it was pretty decent. It wasn't that bad. But I think the hard part, I feel like I wasn't in a structured program,
What do you mean?
and because we had like at first we had like a coach, and then we got fired, and then we got a next coach, and then I was like, what am I gonna do? And then yeah, and I think my thing with GC Faster College was that I think they had me in a teaching program. I don't want to be a teacher.
I mean, it's a teacher's college. Like,
I
what is a
know,
teacher's
but
college? Yeah.
I think you're to be a teacher, a coach, or a masseuse.
Yeah.
Me,
Yeah.
I can never teach. I'm too shy for that.
Yo, you're shy for real, man. You're shy, your
I'm
friend.
too shy for that. And then the coaching, mm-mm.
But you
I
win,
think
you win some
coaching
road
is just too
race.
much person. Yeah, that's true. And then, yeah. And then Coach Papa Thomas from Lincoln University, he called me and
Yeah.
he was like, just come there. And then I left.
You know, what I wonder is that I wonder why you opt out of like junior college and just go straight to Lincoln. Because to me, Lincoln, no offense to GC Foster, is the GC Foster of foreign. I
Mm.
just Jamaicans go they go cool out. Till they figure out what go on. I mean, I don't miss it go on. No offense, you
I
see
think
me?
true, but I think my high school coach, I think they weren't experienced enough. Just about D1 or D2, they had no idea like
Yeah,
about that thing. So they were like, you know what? Just go to GC.
yeah,
Because I think there's just more links to get in a school overseas than
yeah.
probably back then.
So you would even if you had a choice like then no, you just go overseas or you just stay locally.
No, definitely overseas.
Yeah.
Definitely overseas.
Okay. I mean, when I do the same thing to him, just ask, you know what I mean? Just,
Definitely
just ask.
overseas. Definitely.
Yeah. So Lincoln. How was Lincoln?
No, I think Lincoln was pretty good. I think the hardest part at Lincoln was working. And nobody told me I was gonna work.
Hold on, you have a 9 to 5?
No, you got a part-time job, so you do like 20 hours a week work or 20 or whatever you
Yeah.
want to do.
Okay.
But I had no idea I was gonna work. So so I went to Lincoln and I was saying to my coach, I was like, so when am I getting money? And she was like, money? You're gonna work just like everyone else. And I was like, work? And she was like, yeah, you gotta
Work
work.
I go.
No, that was the hardest part about Lincoln.
Mm-mm.
Because I think I was burnt out. And when you heard about burnout, I think you think about physical burnout. Nobody think
Yeah.
about, mentally. I think I was just burnout. Because I would wake up in the morning at 6 a.m. Then I got work from 6 to 8. Then I got class from 8 to whenever. Then I got training from 2 to 5. Then I gotta
Mm.
like from training, go back to work at 5:30 to 10:30. Then I gotta sit all day and do assignments from like 2 a.m. I was done. I went to
Yo,
my
this sound like hell, yo.
now I was trying maybe because I've
It's-
never worked before. Because I've
yeah,
never worked before going to
yeah,
Lincoln.
yeah.
So maybe that's the
Working and
reason.
being an athlete is
No, it was
not
hard for
ideal.
real.
Yeah.
Then
So
I
what
went
we
to
do
my
for work?
advisor. Work in a cafeteria.
Okay. On campus?
Yeah. I think
So
most works are on campus though.
okay. So I do like where you responsible for? Like chicken,
Making
breakfast,
burger.
making burger,
Make burger, quesadilla, top chef. Yeah,
top chef.
definitely.
Microwave I use man. My chef in no go on no college cafeteria. Microwave thing that brother. None of that. None of that. So, so all right. How much you spending? 2 year, right?
3 years.
3 year.
Mm.
3 year.
Because the first year was COVID,
Oh.
and then I went on my second year, and then I think after my second year, I went to my advisor, and I was like, I'm leaving next year, and she was like, no, and I was like, yeah, just give me a bunch of credits, I'll take them. I want to leave because I
Yeah.
didn't want to leave Lincoln without getting a bachelor degree. 'Cause
But
sometimes.
how that possible?
Yeah, because sometimes, like, you can even transfer without getting a degree and you can move on to a different school. But I wanted to get a degree before I left Lincoln.
Okay. Well, many things say like Lincoln at D2, right?
Yeah,
So you can go D1 as an international without the degree.
yeah,
Oh, many think I like Juco where many think I like. I say like Juco, me think because Juco
mhm,
you have to get a bachelor's, isn't me? And left.
yeah.
Me think say D2 was like NIA where you can just burn half a year them and cut.
No, you can't even spend 1 year at a D2, then transfer to a D1.
Oh. But it is 1 year
Mm-hmm.
degree.
Just want my degree. I think
Okay.
when you just never imagine going to college, you just want to accomplish something.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. So
just
so how
want
was
my
the
degree.
training there?
Train at Lincoln,
Yeah.
rough. Like,
Well, not rough
first
because
day,
I work, I rough because I training.
every single thing. Like, if first day of training, we go on the line, coach say 3200 meter. I sit there and I say, I'm a laugh and I say 3200 meter.
Eh.
Joke my joke. I said no 3200 meter. Which are 15, tapped out. Rough. Papa training hard man. Rough.
But but in my Jamaican though.
Yeah.
So when get there where go there from, that not sound like that. Yeah.
Boy, I don't know, but
That sound
rough.
foreign.
You you reach 20. You hear the whistle again, you see more nuggets. Just
So
a
what I
run, run,
rest?
run. Shorters.
Like two
I'm
minutes.
on. Yeah, Lincoln did train hard, man. Train long. The first week me go Lincoln, everybody go run up a hill. I think we have a bunch of hill repeat. And I think
Mm.
after five, we just take my bag and just left. Couldn't manage.
So
No man, they're rough
you're
man.
bright. You're
No,
bright.
they're rough man. They're rough too.
You're bright.
No, they're rough man. Come on, just never used to them work out there.
So how we used to them because I say GC never really get no good training and all these things. Now you get the training and I say yo, me not used to it.
I
So we used
mean,
to.
I mean maybe because me there work and then the art training it
Yeah.
just become too much. And then me didn't knew like at first me at work, at first me didn't art training day. Everything just become too much. I think at least because them get a season in the workout, them kinda
Yeah.
used to it. But you knew challenging body.
Yeah, man, rough man. You're rough.
Rough for
So all
sure.
right, I would so I which how long it take until you win nationals then?
Last year, at Lincoln.
Okay.
So I think the last year
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? D1 next.
Yeah.
So every single morning, get up extra early, the 2 to 3 miles every single morning. Even when time cold, time snow. Sometimes
Yeah.
wait, time cold and I finish 2 to 3 miles. I come back in the house and my finger them start burn me. My ears are burn me. But me I
Yeah,
say no. D1 me I go next. Start training and bunch of
yeah,
abs, push up, everything. I'm determined to D1 me I go. So no matter
yeah.
what, straight
D1.
D1.
So you
Mm-hmm.
add the extra miles on top of what you consider as hard
On
already.
top of the workout. Come and say, you know what?
Yeah,
Something must missing.
yeah,
What me can do? What me can do different? Like what me can add on when nobody now do?
yeah.
I mean, I say, give me the extra mile. It will help every single mile me get up and do. Even 1 extra mile, 2 extra mile, but something.
Okay. You know, me think it was a more speed 800 meter runner though.
Yeah, when I went to Houston.
Oh, okay, cause that's what me mainly know you from, you see me. But
No, when
cause
I
all
went to
these
Houston.
1500, me don't know about that. You
No,
see
when I
me?
went to Houston.
Okay. So hold on, we not go too far there. So
I
leading up to the 800 meter for D2, you did feel like you could have win?
definitely. I think indoor.
Mm-hmm.
I, I think when you go national indoor, I think in the East more like 208. But it was so comfortable, and I was like, this comfortably.
Yeah.
Maybe the extra mile is really a payoff now. And then I think in the finals now, Papi was like, Kelly and I can run 205. And I was like, 205? That sounds strange. What?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think at the last 100 meter, I think we're just all battling to the finish line. And I ran 204. And I was like, yeah, different league, different ball game
Yeah.
with the fan now. We're gone everybody.
So next year now see me again. God, but
and
God.
and then we go indoor and then we go outdoor national. And then me I say, all right, if we win outdoor national, we can get more school offer, we can go different school.
Yeah.
But then, all right, me not change nothing. Still get up extra every morning, still put in my 1 to 2 miles, and
Yeah.
then outdoor national. Say, all right, and my time to shine. And yeah, I win. And then I win.
Yeah.
Just make me nice like a paragraph and me say, all right, copy, we're done.
If I tell him in the real life, you could have say, yo, sir, say, yo,
You know?
thanks, but brother, me, I forgot it.
No, well, that's true. I
I
think
tell him
after
on
I
a
felt
text,
so
brother.
bad, but I was like,
Me, I say, cheese and
but,
peas.
but no, I feel like if in person, probably not change my mind. Cause probably not time I say, Kelly and stay here,
Yeah.
me have plans here. And me I say, nobody not change my mind. Do you want me I go? So
Yeah.
night me stung I'm a long paragraph, I read it over, me I say, alright, time to shine now. I'm just sitting off
Yeah.
it.
So you mean by paragraph? I look a bit
I think
like,
it was yeah, I think it was something about I'm so grateful. You took me from nothing to something, blah 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 blah.
you sound like my ex-girlfriend. I'm so
I was
happy.
like,
Yeah, I was happy to be in this relationship, blah, 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 but I'm a butterfly, I don't have to fly away.
time to leave. I gotta go.
You got to go. So going into D1, yeah, look into the D1. Where did you want to go?
So at first I wanted to go to Texas Tech, but the head coach at Texas Tech, I think he was saying something about, he wanted me to do random courses, and I
Oh,
wanted a master degree.
also you want to do like certificate.
Yes, and I've said before,
Oh,
I've never dreamt of going to college. So getting my bachelor degree and get my master degree, and I think it meant so much to me. So I was like, I want a
yeah,
master degree. And then I went back, and I think I was saying to the Lincoln coach, what am I supposed to do? And she was like, go to church and think about it. And I'm sitting there like, go to church and think about it.
yeah, I thought over that.
No, I think I went to church at the same night, and then I think that's when Houston sent me an email, and I was like,
Mm,
Houston,
yeah,
because we know about Houston. I think it's more for spring school. So
yeah,
I was like, Houston, what am I doing at Houston? It's a spring school. And then
yeah,
she called me and she was like, I'm new to the program, but I'm a hurdler, but I love the 800 meter. And I was like, you know what? Then I went on a visit, and then I like it. Then I went there, just
yeah.
commit after.
So hold on there. Come let me hear wrong. So all your life up until Houston, a female woman coaches have?
Yeah, Wait,
Ah,
yeah, true. That's crazy. I've never thought about that. But yeah.
eh, eh, is that blessing? Well, a female, a woman coach you have right now?
Oh no, man.
Oh man, okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully the juju no run out, isn't me? Doubt it
No.
still, but like we never. That nice. That nice. You have all women coach coming up, yo, as a woman athlete, yo. That's rare.
True.
Rare. Yeah, you wouldn't. You'd have definitely not have that at Texas Tech. I be a man there.
No,
Be a man,
that one
brother.
not true. That one
Yeah,
not
be
true.
a man, brother. Yeah.
You went to tech?
Yeah, Texas Tech, my God.
Ah, that's why
Yeah.
this gets so loud. We mentioned Texas Tech.
Yeah. Yeah. I me now my
Aye.
jacket in there. Yeah, man, reckon, man. Yeah, man. But me need go, Garvey, then KC, from KC to Iowa Central, at one JUCO, then University of Iowa, then Texas Tech.
Oh,
Yeah, so me go on a journey to man, isn't me?
long journey
Long journey,
re
man.
with a reach.
Yeah, reach, isn't me? Yeah, man. But me like Houston location still. It too,
Houston?
yeah, it too Spanish townish.
No, Texas Tech. Texas Tech feel like in some me can't really describe it.
You ever come there?
Like
Oh yeah, win down
yes,
here.
I
Sorry,
went on
sorry,
a
sorry.
visit
Eh,
and then I was at Texas Tech and then just feel like some ghost town. Like me
let
look
me
up in
tell you
the
something.
sky, me look up at birds, I'm here say, oh yes, what is no Texas Tech feels so different.
No, man, let me tell you about Texas Tech.
No,
Texas Tech is a place like this, brother. You come here for do your work and go your yard. This is not a party city, my girl.
that's
So
fair,
by
that's
now,
fair.
listen, we never win national championship yet? No. We never win a national championship. No. Is it me? We never win. We
Not too
never
much,
win.
not too much, not too much.
Alright, sorry. But is it me? But that's true. Don't get dry, man. Don't get dead. I'm not lie.
Dry bad for
Yeah, man,
true,
it's dry
like
bad, man. Dry bad.
dry.
Yeah.
I think me hotel wadi, I'm look out at me and say, I feel like some Final Destination movie.
Yeah,
It
man,
just
the
feel
creepy, man.
different.
Yeah, man, the creepy, man. The
I
creepy
say,
for real, man. But
mm-hmm.
you see, when they sell the athlete them pan, I mean, hope say coach now she's still coming one of them watch it. But like, it's like them sell it. If I play Call of Duty,
Yeah,
them sell it like the Gulag. You see me? You either come
that's true.
survive and win, or you're dead, brother. You see me?
That's true. That's
I
true.
saw this place down here. No, I tell you, no lie. It look away for real, man.
No, like I wait for true.
Yeah, man, it look away, man. But Houston now. This lovely place that you went to and all of a sudden become a sprinter. See you start running 400 and V things. Oh, the
So
transition go.
hard. Like it was so hard because I went to Houston
Mm-hmm.
and the first day my coach was like, "Okay, what's your 300-meter time?" And I was like, "300-meter time? What's that?" And she was like, "Oh, what's your best 600-meter time?" And I was like, I have no idea. And then she was like, "Huh?" And then she was like, "You know what, Kellen, we gotta get faster." And then more speed workout. But coming from Lincoln,
Mm-hmm.
where most of the mileage long distance from Houston to a speed workout school,
Yeah.
couldn't recover. After one
Really?
repeat practice, finish. Couldn't get
I
up.
feel like say it a better for you because you're stronger than them.
Now man, rough. After
Eh,
I like, and then with she like our 300 mid, like our 300 them fast. So
like
after
what
me
time so?
one, like 37. So after me two, tap out.
I mean fast still. That fast real.
Tap, tap out. After me do one, me lay down, me wonder, oh, everybody still arise. Hard, man. Yeah, hard. Some day should I say, you know what, Killian? After I program, should I say, just go home. Hard.
It don't make no sense to continue at all.
No, the hard. I mean, I say, like, but I didn't like, I think with Houston too, with a bunch of wickets, just stuff for me just never do before. And then she just
Ah,
say, yeah, we
so
just
they
need
focus a lot on technique and them thing there.
yeah. And then
Okay.
she's a 400-meter hurdler.
Yeah, so
And
she
she
technical.
was a 400-meter hurdler. She know all the speed and stuff.
Yeah.
But
So take me through one of them hard workout there where they say, yo, help you or like regionals at them Sunday?
Alright. So we probably have like 2 times 3, 200 meter, and then a 400 meter.
Why
So
race?
you have like 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
So that, and if you want everything, and then everything faster than 30 seconds. So they get like 27, 28. So they're in like 28, 30 second race, 28, 30 second race, 28, 30 second race, then repeat. Then she gave like 5 minutes rest, and all out 400. And she wanted faster than a minute. After that, you sleep for a whole week. Hard
Honestly.
man. No, you're for too like, and you have to think about it like coming
Not a
from
test week, not
somewhere,
just like a normal training block.
normal training, coming from
Eh.
somewhere, we had like 20, 200 meter to that so fast, rough. You bend up, rough,
My gosh.
rough, rough,
Eh.
rough. One time, I think one time I told my mother say, hard man. She say, I be kind of drink donkey water. I say, donkey water. She say, me everyone donkey water good for you. Me I say, that no make no sense.
What
Like
is
them thing
donkey
you know
water?
work.
What is
You
donkey
know what
water?
I'm saying?
I don't even know what is donkey water, bro.
I think after I donkey drink your water, you're supposed to drink it and get
Me not
long
drink
breath.
that.
I mean, I say, lady, that
Me
don't make
like
no sense. Like,
germs that, bro. Me not want that.
I said that not help me. I
That
got
not help
alone
you.
can help me.
That
Like them
alone.
thing,
So always a
them thing not
recovery.
working.
Like what you do for like recover?
Um, but I think the best thing about a D1 school, them have ice bar, them have muscles. You have a bunch of things. You have
True.
beetroot juice. You have way too much things. The best
Yeah.
thing about D1 school. You go in a cafeteria, you say protein shake, you say protein shake free.
Yeah.
You go in a cafeteria, you see, fish and you say, fish I mean have to buy. But I think, I don't
Boy.
think that best thing about going to D1.
Boy. I miss there something little for real, man. Remember one time when cut off me card, yo. My last, I think I'm done. I'm done one almost in a May, brother. Last check, last bill, brother. I say, yo.
God, and then this type thing you don't have to work for. Well, like with train, but you don't have to do,
Yeah. The pro
best
life
thing.
basically.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's
pro
true.
life. Yeah, man. So indoor season, first indoor season at Houston. How you did think boy? What would you think about it, approach it? Cause you say, yo, yeah, you switch out your whole body system. You left from
Hmm.
long run to the straight sprinting. You see me? Where your mids now over 800?
So I think indoor, um, I think, alright, with D2, you can run 208 and you qualify for national. With a D1, you have to run 202 or better.
Yeah.
Some of you say, okay, how am I gonna run a 202 indoor? And me I think, and me say, that's so impossible. And I think missed up in the season with a mile. And God, God, God. After 4 laps, tapped out, much up. You say, I say, but it's a rough man if I can not go make. But then the coach ever said, no, Kelly, and trust the process. Trust me. Everybody training different, but if you trust me, you know me, I do.
Yeah.
And then think we're gonna meet Arkansas or something like that. And then that first time run 202. I said, wait, this is possible.
Yeah.
And then go on and go on. But I think if my first year on the indoor season, I just stopped. I think only the indoor.
Eh? Why?
Well, rough. But I think my
What?
coach just say, I joke. I think I joke. I think because so I had two indoor and I had two indoor and a outdoor.
Yeah.
And then I think she was like, you know what? I want 2 years coaching you. Just do one indoor and then redshirt outdoor, and we're gonna
Yeah.
start back fresh next season.
Hmm.
And then I think I've been 2 years, give me enough time to get my master degree. So I say,
Yeah.
alright, perfect.
Yeah.
Everything just alright.
Yeah. So you work out in your favor.
Everything you work out, just like I
Yeah.
want to work out.
Yeah. Hey, as long as you want it, it can happen, That's a life work,
Ex- No, that's true. That's true.
Yeah. So when you do the outdoor season when you're red shirt.
Outdoor, just I think she had been doing like some 1500 meters sometimes, some meets just to get back strength, But I think the best part about the red shirt and outdoor,
Yeah,
like when a team with them gonna chat meet, they just sit and chill and just watch everybody run. Yeah, say alright,
yeah,
just do nothing. I
yeah.
think just the random meets, 400 meter, but I think I do most all meets though. That was pretty much it.
We have a lot of home meets.
Yeah,
Oh,
cause I think but like if you're like good, them send you for different meets, like travel for different meets. But then like if
okay.
you're not really run on time, or they want you run or whatever,
Yeah.
they're most of the old meets.
Yeah, I mean,
But
that
yeah,
typical still, isn't it? Like just normal
exactly.
league and
Like guess
business.
an
Yeah,
invest them, go out and
yeah.
or
Okay.
stay at home.
So,
So
so you not go no trials since you got foreign?
like guys, I think I go trials and yeah. So I think after my red shirt, my coach said, come trials. And I was like,
Mm.
come trials? No, cause maybe I'll run. And then she said, come trials just see experience. And we come trials, them drop my belly. I think
Yo, black when you talk, black when you talk. You
like
know, like,
them
your expression
drop my
reflect.
belly. And I'm telling you, I sit down, I'm a ball. I'm a cry, and I say, I shouldn't believe her, I shouldn't believe her, but she not stay home. I'm, t- I'm texting her about, you want to embarrass me now? Drop my belly,
What?
man. Drop my belly.
You
I'm
said to your
telling you,
coach?
let me see a replay. And I was
Yeah.
being cool and everyone struggling. Yeah,
Jaja.
tired, mash up.
Jaja.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. When you not run, you see, whether train alone,
Yeah,
don't matter.
like, yeah, make no sense. Like, I feel run. Like,
Afi.
training just different from just going to track meet. It's just so
Yeah,
different.
yeah. Way
Like,
different.
you can good not train, you can run fast time, and then it doesn't race ready.
Exactly.
That's the worst thing about it. But them run left me
Trainers.
one, run left me. I when
Mm-mm.
everybody finish, I when the stadium like turn off. Still I come over and back. Still I try the road.
I get clapping.
I get
I get,
clapping.
I get clapping, brother. I say,
Clapping.
say you done now.
Yeah.
You're rough, you're done for.
Yeah, get clapping. Mother say, yeah man, I the damn donkey water and drink. I said, genuine. Rough man. I
She
rough
just
for
chew a
two
spikes
man.
after I say, yo, go on,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
rough for
yeah, yeah.
two. Rough
Mm-mm.
man. But, I don't know, but I don't think they build character though.
True.
So you can't ever complain.
So you just stand a yard for your side someone before you go back, or you just go back a fire after.
Back same after. Back as we finish some, I say, alright, back over here man.
So if you
Cause
enjoy the hotel,
I think he was here true now. Like
bro, you talk about that. Yo,
you
any
know,
trip for them people pay for me, I take
uh,
advantage of it, brother.
thinking what enough for true. I really think. I think
Man,
them time I
enjoy,
think
man.
true. But go straight back over.
Oh, so you go back to work or like what you go back and do?
Nothing.
Just ends off.
Chill. Just chill.
Relax.
Just chill for the entire summer, relax.
So
Just
you do for
enjoy
fun.
the free life. Um what am I like that? Skating. Can't skate though. I like skating. Paintball shooting. I don't know.
Mm,
I just like the fun stuff.
okay.
Just to make a thing.
Okay. So like outside of track and field, like you have the hobbies, like what you casually do.
Sing. But don't ask me right now.
No, I'm not
Check me
asking,
next
I'm not
time.
asking. No, I'm not
Check me next time. Next
asking.
time.
What kind of song you sing like? What genre are you talking about?
Bad man tune a joke.
I believe, I'm gonna tell you, I believe that one man should tell you. You have that English them, you're telling you, man. You're so talky shit, you know.
All that song make no sense.
So where are artists right now then?
I think Cartel.
God, I
Shit.
mean,
Yeah,
I mean,
Cartel.
yeah, but him not really asking the song right now, so I could never hear.
Yeah. And I'm
Yeah,
still there. I wait for something new, but still there support.
but in
But they
days
come like
now,
you know, I'm gonna
no sir,
make a
no
park.
sir. So you listen to massacre, nothing like that.
Not really.
Me not listen to it either. So
Just
hey,
straight Cartel.
straight Gaza. You them way them one. So when you get a degree now, a Lincoln.
Kinesiology.
Okay.
Then I got my
So
degree, my master degree in science and global retailing.
retailing?
Yeah,
What that?
just business.
Oh. So whenever you do kinesiology at GC for stand on.
GC,
Yeah, you could
G,
do that at GC?
GC of kinesiology.
I think so.
I think
You know,
GC of coaching. Well,
they have
mm,
masseuse.
well,
They must
I'm
have a
not sure. So,
variation, right? You know,
true.
maybe a
True.
different, I know like over here they call like physical therapist, athletic trainer. Maybe a different word, you know what I mean?
True. Well,
Yeah.
that's true.
Either way, they still. Either way, they.
Exactly.
So, alright, you have one more year at Houston, I know. You see me? Yeah. Oh, you start off year at training.
I think year started off and I say, alright, Kelly, one more year. And then I think with my coach, I think she telephoned early, like, when I leave college, it's hard out there. So like leave college, none of none of having contract or anything. It's rough. And then I went back to Houston my second year. And training they hard. But I think we managed it better. So yeah.
Yeah, for
No,
real, yeah, for real. Yeah, for
you think
real.
about you think about
Yeah,
track training, you can never get used to track and field training. Impossible.
yeah,
Like you can just never master it because you know you're rough man.
yeah,
But I'm gonna go back and I think oh yeah, I think indoor start slower than expected. Open my season like with 208, 209, something around there.
the loaded man.
And well, that's true. And then run they run like 206 after and 204. And then I think before we run 2 meet indoor, I think we're supposed to go to a different meet. And my coach say, you know what, Kellyanne? Because we would try to get the top ranking for the coach nationals. And then she
Mm-hmm.
was like, you know what, Kellyanne? We don't have no time. We go just do what we do. Big 12. And me I say, Jesus, I wanna make can't do it, man. You're nervous. You say, alright. Cause you
Yeah,
say, alright. You need to run 201 or 202. That you need to run to get in a national. And I say, alright. Just need to run that. And then I think in the East, in the Big 12 conference,
yeah,
we're in 204, I think. But comfortable, like, you feel like me a walk. And me I say, alright. Mike, I try that again. I need this. And
yeah,
then I think my coach asked me, say, what your plans going to the final? And I was like, plans? Catch me if I can. And she was like, catch me if I can. And I said, yeah, we got to run. Anybody want to catch me, then catch me. We have to run
yeah,
fast to catch me. When the gun go off, we just run.
yeah,
Not about things say, alright, nobody will catch me. I'm nervous. We just
yeah,
run. So I run, run, run. My car said that I'm 2 minutes. They say, I lie. Big dog now. I say, alright, big dog in town.
yeah.
Yes. Yes, alright. This is my moment to shine. But
Mm-hmm.
can we go national, then dust me again. But when I talk about that, you know.
What you know we have to talk about that though. What? How you
Because
live for your son to don't your son, brother? Oh, that work.
I'm gonna tell us, I got national, I think we top 3 time or top 2 time.
Yeah,
And everybody expect me to, come, win or second or third. In I eat, the only thing I say is spikes bottom. Rough out there. No man, no man, I'm dusting for
nationals,
you, man. I'm dusting
national,
for you.
international,
Rough
dog eat
man.
dog, dog eat dog.
And then like get me aggressive. When I got indoor national and I run like 800 meter and like 400 meter, them thing there, I get a 1 lane, aggressive man.
Yeah,
And
yeah. So you know,
I was like, I think after national, coach said, Chanu Kelly, you need to put in some boxing now. You're too soft, man. I mean, I say, me soft. And
you
she
forgot
said,
your
yeah, man.
roots. You forget your roots. That.
And then, she said, I can't be Jamaican as a soft. Jamaican as a
Ah,
soft.
you
I
forget
mean, I
your
said, what you mean?
roots.
Then with their training, when she had with their training next year, she said, fake Jamaicans. And I mean that.
That's
Cause she
just that.
said, you must be a fake Jamaican, cause all Jamaican, one thing Jamaican, them tough.
Yeah, man,
But
I retard, man.
why?
You get used to D1 life too much, man. Come too
Yeah, for
easy.
true. I think
Yeah,
you're too soft, man. You get comfortable for true.
yeah,
If you're
for
not
true.
careful, you will sleep.
But we must have happened to enough people, you know.
True.
And
That's
enough
true.
Jamaica go fire and you
Cause
never
if you
live.
realize if you tap at them sometimes too, don't go overseas, then that's it.
Yeah.
I
It's an
think that's why
interesting
sometimes,
case.
yeah, that's sometimes I'm kind of grateful. So I'm go D2 first. Cause D2 kind
Yeah,
of toughen me up a little, and then
me's a big believer in a JUCO.
yeah,
I haven't believe in a D2 right now. I believe say you have it. I believe in the struggles. Not too much, you know, but like
true,
struggling enough. You get me? I say, yo,
mm-hmm.
like, if you have it too easy, brother, it's a go rough for you in the long run.
True, man.
It's a rough
Yeah,
for you,
man.
man.
Cause D2 show you the toughest and toughest survive.
Yeah.
Rough
I work
body.
something nice at all, yo.
No man, rough man.
Yeah.
Something I come home, I have to look up in the sky and I say, Ja, and next day, rough man.
Yeah, man.
Rough man, tell you. Rough,
Yeah,
rough, rough.
we used to work at JUCO to usually work as what they call it, custodian. Clean.
You see it? That means the next summer.
Oh,
Oh, the Lincoln. That's the next summer. All them
why?
clean there.
Me got a Jamaica. Me never know working thing in the summer. Me got no.
That man, the first summer I work. They fire me
Mm.
first summer. I drop asleep on the work. Me a
Eh.
clean and drop asleep. Rough man.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
man, them thing they rough man. They clean
Well,
till
rough.
they clean, clean, clean.
Yeah, the thing is, me usually just check out the night. A night me usually work still. I usually work from 10 to 2, 4 hours a night. Yeah,
That's rough.
bro.
Night
Yeah,
thing,
man.
that's gonna do it.
Yeah,
Night thing's a different thing.
yeah, man. The third man, but me never do it in the morning. So kudos to you, cause me never do that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
mine rough too.
yeah, bro. So alright, you know, make it indoor thing mash up then.
Yeah.
You know, make it mash up at that. You just take it bean for your coach and take it bean for the girl them and say, you know what, we
No man,
soon out
rough
of there.
man. Cause I think after international,
Mm.
me take 2 days off. Me cry for 1 day. I mean, I say, alright, Kelly, just cry for 1 day. Just get up and move on along. Nah, I
You
have to
love
cry,
ball, man.
man. Something I have to, something I have to just cry, man.
A true, a true, a true,
You ever cry sometime, man? But you
a
just
true,
can't stay down for too long. You have to just cry and go through.
true, a true. I
Just
would have
cry
learned that day.
and, from high school days.
Well, based on what you tell me from high school, you didn't even cry, you just say, you know, I'm not do it again. Isn't me just switch
True.
completely.
That's true.
So outdoor campaign. What the meds up or so?
Alright. Outdoor now, me, I say, you know what? Night in the shine again now. I mean, I say, alright, I just need to go, do my thing. But I think outdoor, it did actually start off good. Up my season like with 202. I mean, I say,
Mm.
alright, I mean, I try, redeem myself and show everybody say, alright. And then, I think we go outdoor conference. And remember what happened? When I almost got in my first lap, I think 54. And Jesus Christ.
Mm.
Done. It's after that first lap. Me I say, alright. We look behind. Nobody no be there behind me. Me I say, alright. Then Kelly,
Mm.
world record holder. I go round again. 600 meter. We can feel everything start burn. Me I say, Jesus Christ. Tell me say something jump on me now. I dead me dead. I'm here. Everybody I say, run Kelly, run Kelly, run. And I saw me I try the road I come down. And I couldn't feel nothing. My
Mm.
leg them dead. Everything dead. I think I'm going to finish line. And I saw a girl pass me. The
Mm.
girl just passed him, come second. I think we're like 201 though, but
Not bad.
I think the first time just too fast.
Yeah. So you just go there with the madness and say, oh, road. No tactic. Just a run so.
'Cause I think my coach, she just put this thing in my head and say, Kelly, you can run anything you want to run today. Okay, she said, want good shape, just
Yeah.
run. And I said, just run. She said, man, just run.
Yeah.
But let's go and just run. Mash up, man. And next to them, mash up. Mash me up, man.
So I just say one race
Mash
you
up.
run there.
Now I'm doing really after. Come on, I was
Oh.
gonna run really,
I know say you run 4x4. But I wonder we never talk about it.
No, I'm like a secret. Boy.
I don't
I'm
really
like
a
the earlier
secret
man.
still. I don't really a secret still.
I'm like the earlier man. But
Yeah. What's
yeah.
your favorite leg?
Give me a second and third leg. It's the first leg
Second
there,
leg.
second or third leg, and me good.
You
Because
see,
I
you
think if
see,
first leg, you
eh,
have to come out of blocks. That's not me. You're
yeah.
800 meter athlete. You gotta stand up. You can't. And then the last leg, I don't know, I get
Feel
nervous.
pressure.
Like me, I
Yeah.
say, yo, like if me lose, everybody say, I kill him if me lose. Some,
True. I true yeah
you
talk.
know.
I true yeah
But
talk.
something like this second and third leg, that's alright.
But me not put up on it second leg still because you're not gonna catch the break the attack. If you can't hit outdoor, me not think I think you have it the way the attack, right? Me not think so. Me not think so. Me not
Because I
think so.
think when you stand team though, me usually go
Mm.
to third leg. Coach always have
Okay.
me third leg.
Yeah.
I win
Coach.
pens. So with it, and
You
then
win
like
pens?
indoor, yes, and like indoor, we got third indoor national. We team come third. Yeah, a
I
big
tell
big team. Yeah,
listen,
a
I
big
tell you,
big team. Yeah, tell you.
me not too follow NCAA women. Me not tell no lie. Me not
That's
tell no lie.
fair.
If I know 100 meter or 200 meter, 400 meter, me don't know what I want. And DMR, much DMR. Me don't know so to get third. That's a
Yeah, we come third, man. We come
congrats.
third indoor. And
Eh,
thank you. And then we go pen relay. We win pen relay for our four. And then we go outdoor national. I'll come like fifth or fourth one of them.
eh.
But yeah, with that going good.
Man, say have a goal, watch her
I'm a
go and
good
cool
team.
out.
Yeah, we can't. I don't know how to do it though. It's fine though. But yeah,
You can't get more. Eh,
you can
eh.
sell it like a coffee. You can sell it like a coffee mills. You wanna
Girl,
buy?
that no word. That no word that thing. Yeah, don't tell them.
You know, I never know though. After after I win pen earlier, me I
Yeah.
walk around and me I say, me 2 minutes never see no. Somebody has to go sit down. That no word nothing. I say, what you
No,
mean no word nothing? No man
they
never
think a
tell
real
me.
goal. They think a real goal to me.
That
Not
me
tell a
think
lie.
too. And that me
Think
think
a
too.
real goal. Mm-mm.
No man never tell me.
None at all. None at all. So
Yeah.
what's like a myth to you in a 800 way you realize in a real?
Hmm. I don't think more than one.
Because to me, you sound like say you're a good trial and error person.
Yeah.
You try a lot of things. So I just feel like I have to ask you. You see me? Because you go out there, you run from the front, you run from the back, you jump and get up. So you've done it all. You see me?
True.
You see
True.
me? So I don't know if you know where that thing is a myth, but no offense to that now, if you ever get the answer. You know what I
Uh,
mean? Yeah, let me know. But after that race day, how you rally back in?
I think after conference now we go regional.
Mm.
Regional. I don't know. But I think my last year I Houston. I think after indoor. I think mentally I'm gonna burn out. I can't lie.
Why?
I think I'm not sure. Like I think it's just a go to emotion.
Hmm.
Like because I never have no motivation. Like me yes me that run yes. But then like after indoor, I think indoor messed me up man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just never realized until I think when I run more is outdoor. Me I say, hmm. Like you believe in it, but part of you I say, like really want to do this, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you kind of mistake now a little bit.
Mm.
Cause I think, cause when I go trials, when I go Olympic trials, I think everybody say, you run 2 minutes indoor, you must can and run like 1:58 outdoor.
Yeah.
And then I don't know. I think when I go trials, yes, yeah, I run yes, but I think mentally, I just never did it.
You think I pressure?
That too. Well, that
Mm.
can be too.
From you or from people? Like you pressure yourself or people pressure you?
I think everybody. But I think
Mm.
I probably shouldn't check myself and say, no, Kelly, yeah, this is you. Like, but when
Yeah.
anybody else say, that's bonus. But no,
Yeah.
you live and learn.
Yeah. So NCSD go.
But
Oh god.
stay. But when I
Oh,
eat,
yeah.
the eat alone pass. I couldn't reach nowhere, so I eat alone. I go.
Yeah. Just
Like, I know what.
don't far.
When I eat, I'm a run, me run, me run, me run. They when me run,
Yeah.
I'm done running eat. I'm a lay down. I want next eat I go on I want next event I go on punch truck. I still mash up.
Mm-mm.
I'm tired. No.
Wait, you don't run no leap a race.
No. I'm just tired. No, no. Like, I sit down here and me say, but I think about my life and me I say, Chanua, just me and me come D when I'm not going to no final. I'm I'm sit down and me I say, rough out a man. I think them kind of me I say, I want to stay at D2, sir. I mean, I say,
No,
me stay
no.
at D2.
Never that.
You know,
Never
like,
that.
you know, yeah, think about some stuff and you say, and you say, no, mama, me stay at D2, probably not run so fast.
Yeah.
I'm saying, me I think and you say, Chanua, 1x. I mean, I say, and they would have a relay. After a relay, you know, running relay will come fifth.
Yeah.
I'm still me I say, why? Look at my D1 and get two relay trophies. No little into the one.
I
I mean,
mean,
I say, you know, but you know, when you have so much goals to yourself and achieve them, kind of, I mean, I say,
yeah.
and then after that, now, me I say, alright, what's next? And I say, alright, Kelly, I'm done the track and field. And I think I call my friend Shane someone, and I was
Mm.
saying like, you know, I finished, you know, and she said, finished. I say, yeah, mom, I'm done with track and field.
Mm.
And she say, done with track and field. And I say, yeah, can't, but yeah, man, rough. Nothing for me. And then she say, you know what, just come home. I said, come home, come do what? She said, no, man, just come home. And I said, if I come home, and I come back, you know. And she say, you know what? And she say, you know what, I can't come stay with me. And I say, you know what, I'm gonna go my soul. And I'm gonna go home for a couple months. And I'm
Yeah.
relaxed. And then me and Randa White, I think she said to me one day, she say, Kelly, what's next? And I say, I know, yeah, I'm gonna look for work or something. Yeah, I'm gonna look some online job or something. And she say, and she say, when I'm trying to talk to you. I mean, I said,
Mm.
girl, there's no 800 meter track team in Jamaica. Like me, I said, nobody not train here for 800 meter. That don't make no sense.
Yeah, that's true.
And then she say, try MVP track club. And I said, MVP track club. And she say,
Mm.
yeah, try it. And me, I said, I'm a sprinter. The first time me do 100 meter, I grade 8. And the coach me say, nah, I'm gonna make,
It's
come
not gonna
start too
work.
slow.
Yeah.
She say, you know, and then I think she say, you know, go to MVP. You know, you can call and I say, no, so. And yeah,
Yeah.
I, I think I'm gonna just get Coach Paul number.
Yeah.
I think I turned to my friend and I say, you call him. And she said, no, Kelly, you call him. I said, no, you call him. I'm gonna tell you what to say.
Yeah.
And then she say, all right. And then she called and she say, hey, it's Kellyanne. And I think Coach Paul say, oh, I know you're Beckford. And I shout and I say, continue, girl, tell him what you want.
Yeah.
And she say, you know what, you know, I'm there and me look some for training and then Coach Paul say, yeah, I say not no more, man. Me know yeah, just my train Monday.
Yeah, man.
And so I end up at MVP.
So said, so done.
So I said, so done.
Paula good man. He cool, man. He very cool.
Them cool, man.
Yeah, cool, man. So, oh, what's the 800 program MVP? Cause me not hear about he that. Me definitely not hear about you, man. But I tell a lie.
So MVP now is a different ball game, that rough man.
Yeah,
But
me hear about him, man. Me hear say they run that thing they like me even want to say club brother like
yeah,
some
man,
Premier
like
League type of thing, like you're serious.
yeah, like what I think the best part about going to MVP though is that you know, like when them say you leave school and you're rough out there and you struggle. I never
Yeah.
experienced that struggle because I think
Mm,
MVP, you know, then take care of me, make sure I'm alright, and
yeah.
very grateful. But training because me and I used to get up 5 o'clock in the morning and when I'm
Yeah.
already for 6, and then like I can't late to my practice because if you come late and see Francis, just turn back.
Yeah, man.
They're rough. The first couple months they're rough. Training
Mm,
hard.
yeah,
And then
man.
like when they run so much stars, and then like someday you want slack around and you know you see them a train, you just a train too. And when you
Yeah.
don't want to train, you a train.
Yeah. Yeah.
But rough too.
Yeah, man. He probably the rough for real, man. Probably the rough. But he did make You didn't make a team with under them? Or are they same Olympic year? Are they here there?
No. No, we got to MVP last season.
At the last season? Okay. Did
Yeah.
he make
That's
world
when
indoors under them?
no, I'm not.
No,
So
world indoors. World relay, sorry.
yeah. So I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
St. Francis, like with that talk, and I say, you can go whirl indoor. But then in December, we get injured in December. So I
Uh,
injure my Achilles. So I never train like for 2.5 months.
yeah.
So every day me just come and train, get treatment, sit down, look, think about my life. I said, Jano.
Yeah, you can't stress, My gosh. Yo, you can't stress.
and and then I think we're on about 400 meter, and then we go whirl
Yeah.
indoor. And that best thing can happen to me.
Yeah.
My best thing can happen to me, man. Eat
How
no
was
fried
it?
rice. They good though, because like, so I go there, I
Mm.
never expect for run. Because like, we have, I think some of the top girl them pull out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So me I say, if them pull out, that means me I go run then. And me I say, I never really come for run. Me never come
Come,
for just tour
get
China,
some. Yeah.
eat fried rice, and buy a couple half run clothes. And me I say,
Yeah.
alright. And then them I say, alright, they go run the 4-4. At first, I say, you go run the mixed relay. So me
Mm.
I say, mixed relay? Then I say yes, and the 4-4. So I can leave mixed relay like half an hour after and jump
Yeah.
on the 4-4. They're
Gotcha.
rough man, but
Yeah,
them say
man.
training.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I run for you, I run to until my trip done.
Yeah, man.
Well me run so. I run till a week.
Yeah, man. I mean, you did dirt freely, man. A good training for you. Good
Yeah,
training.
maybe.
Yeah, man. Good training, man. Because I'm telling you, Steve not genius, yo. You must have, you have,
Him smart man,
yeah, man. You
Beckford.
have two head coach in Jamaica. A man named Mr. Glenn Mills and Mr. Stephen Francis, and I saw other coaches panel laugh at them. To me.
Yeah man, cause I think I'm just go there. I think them I say, if I trust we. And me never trust the program. Because me I
Yeah.
say, me at 800 meter. Like what me I go do? But I think after a while it's just a program, it's just training, it just start running. And them smart man, like them actually they know everything way gonna happen and what they might do.
Yeah.
That's the best part about it.
True, man. True, true. So, Tokyo. If we talk about Tokyo. If we talk about Tokyo. You beat Natalia goal.
Yeah.
And then first you beat the national record holder. You did beat Adele the year before, I think it was. In the
Oh yeah.
1500 weight. I did the year before though.
200 meter. No, I'm not beat her.
You might beat her in the 15.
I'm gonna tell her so she up in a gap for me.
Eh,
I must
you
say
see that
200
then.
meter gap. I must say 200 meter gap.
Chacha. Oh my.
Me I come in, me in the year, it look a clapping.
My
No,
man.
man, me I say, I don't put that terribly, man.
Yeah, no man, that nice, they nice,
No,
man. I
man.
want to.
They're rough, no, man, they're rough, man.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
My
a
man.
beat, man.
You know, miss that. I swear, I see that somewhere.
No, and I think we run the 1500 meter with the Lincoln. I think the Lincoln
Oh,
dates and
maybe I that me for real, man. I mean, I
they're
mix
rough,
up the
man.
time.
No,
Yeah.
she beat me, man. Bad.
Yeah, man, she
Bad.
tough, man. She tough. And
Yeah,
she a beat
man.
on her own, basically.
A different breed.
Yeah, crazy, man. Crazy, boy. What? 800 there. 800 final. Or you feel out there?
At trials.
Yeah, trials.
So trials come now. I think, yeah. So you have the Saint Vincent girl.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
in my mind, me I say, alright. Once I follow she, me alright.
yeah.
So I think the first lap, I think about trials, like, me kind of nervous because me the barely run 800 meter in the season.
Yeah.
And even if you got probably a couple track meets, like you have high school kids who are in like 208 and 209. You don't really have nobody around like 202. So me I
Mm,
say, child, me I say, June. I know me I run, sir.
yeah.
I'm gonna come me I say, I think I say, why the BLA run, I'm in a race ready, I'm in a sharp at all. So like,
Mm.
me just never sure what me I gonna do. And then the first up, it feels smooth. I mean, I say, alright, this is feel bad. Then me I share and someone, I say, come on, Becky, come on.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, alright, me can do a thing, me boost me up. And then
Yeah.
in last lap, no, I think we are sprint girl, and I mean, I say, wait there. I say, me can't win. Yeah, sprint time for you, and
Yeah.
I mean, I say, hey, I might have a shine now, man. Probably not making an ID one, but we can make you a song.
Yeah.
And
I
then
need
we
a
are
bigger
sprint, I go
stage.
down. Chill. And then pass the line, me I say, but pass the line, I'm say 2 minutes. No, like, me the happy. But at the same time, me I say, China, me the run break it 2 minutes, But winning national title, best
Sweet.
feeling.
Sweet.
Best feeling, man.
And beat the record holder, isn't it?
Best feeling,
Hey,
I feel.
hey. And
Best
man, no,
feeling.
not a goal have a road name after him.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And
man. So,
and there was somebody, you're running and you look up to them from years and years and years ago. But,
yeah.
and then me I see around a couple years ago, me there on a back still like not turn off for me. Me there front part, light still
Yeah.
on. So
Yeah.
that's something.
For
But
real,
they
man.
feel good, man.
For real. For real. And then the Tokyo plane. Back again to China.
Back again.
Back again. Or Japan. Sorry.
Yeah,
Japan. Yeah.
Japan. Yeah.
What was
But
that trip? Mm.
I think no, they feel good, man, cause we camp out in a the place name
To, to, to,
Totori. Yeah, Totori.
yeah.
We the camp out and then them love Jamaican.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
And then go work at first disappointed, but come here and say, alright, I'm gonna come fourth and I eat. I'm gonna say I'm gonna come third, I'm gonna go next. I'm gonna go semi.
Yeah.
Disappointed, but take a 1 day for cry again. Just
That's
only for
fine.
1 day.
Yeah.
And then we sit down and me I say, but my first senior team, I mean I say I learn experience on a big level. I mean,
True.
me kind of check myself and I say, no, kill him, man. Come on, man, get yourself together. It's not you. And then,
True.
I kind of say, alright, just get up
Yeah.
and go. But
For real.
overall, good experience. Can't
So
complain.
you tour place though at least.
Yeah, man, tour, man.
Alright.
Tour.
Yeah, man.
Even
Had to.
get a cup of fake perfume, but not talk about that. The tour, though.
Fake, no, you don't have to buy fake perfume. Buy real perfume. Buy fake clothes. We don't try the fake perfume business.
No. Something I know, something I really know until I fake, until I
Yeah,
spray. You go outside and it spray still in the house. And you
true,
outside while I spray. You know? Them
But
time they know say fake.
I got every spray at Jamaica. Me not trust nothing for Jamaica. Me no business.
True.
If you lock up in one case, me no business. Me not buy it.
Now
Me
man,
not
cause
trust.
something is spray and step outside, different person step outside. No
Yeah,
scent.
man. God,
Everything
God.
gone.
Yeah, tell a boy.
Yeah.
So after such a year, why you decide to switch?
So I think after Katrina MVP, like trap meet, I think me come and me decide and me say, me not really I go on trap meet. Because I'm told before like you got the meet, you have really around 2:08 and 2:09 and then you run 2 minutes. Sometimes
Yeah,
like yes you run yes, but you not have no competition. The only time
yeah.
you have competition, you do trials. And then I'm alone train every single day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then I mean in the background, like me train sometimes with the Guatemala me train with Guatemala them
Yeah.
or whatever. But then like when it touch January now, you're the only person that train for the 800 meter. And like
Mm,
sometimes in some workout now, some workout is challenging. Something you want somebody to lean on. Something you want say, you want the reps there. Lead me.
yeah.
And
True.
in a rough man, and then you say, if me can have more competition, and
Better for you.
I'm exactly. And
Yeah.
if it just probably more sense.
Iron sharp iron.
Exactly. And then plus they get sponsor. So they can't really complain
True.
about that.
True.
Can't
True.
really
True.
complain about that at all.
So you're afraid about the cold? Cause listen, Baltimore is not no boy place in the brother.
Some I go Baltimore. I go Baltimore last season. Go
Yeah.
visit. I just come from Jamaica last weekend.
Me
Last
know.
week Wednesday. So just go Baltimore now. But last week in
Yeah.
Florida cool.
Florida cool. Florida,
No
I
man.
don't like when time my
No
mother.
man. No
Oi.
last
Wait.
no
Wait.
no I'm telling you, last week them said
Mm.
because of some wind some like a winter cool thing. But last
Yeah.
week, me come down, I'm crop top, me in a Uber, me I say, why you find a big coat? I'm relaxed on me, I said, what is this one too, right? I'm
Yeah.
step outside, cool,
Cha
cool
cha.
man. And I'm
Yeah.
sure say my basic pants me I wear, cool man. But I think this week
Mm-mm.
kinda warm up though. But last week
Okay.
cool man.
Oh. Can when me think
The
about
cool
Florida
man.
cold though, it's like when time my mother that Jamaica tell me say cold breeze. I'm check the weather. 71. I say,
No last week cool for true man. The cool bad.
you know
The
so
rough
cool
man.
it. You know so cool
You know
it.
me think
That one a basic
but
man boy. You don't see it for real.
But no, I think what came me, I said, Shano, I'm not gonna manage it
Yeah.
cool. And me never
Yeah, you
scared.
know no
And then,
choice.
and then I think earlier after training, me never scared. I said, why? Baltimore now get warm and tell me. I made it back me, I said, what do you mean by me? Baltimore now get
Yeah.
warm and tell me. But I'm not gonna manage that, yeah, but
So there you go.
rough man. But,
So Under Armour.
it's been pretty good so far. I
Yeah.
can't complain.
The accent came out.
You know. It good so far, man. Can't complain with you. Like the coaching, the athletes, teammates, everybody good. Can't complain
Yeah.
to be honest.
I
Training
mean, we
more
see what they
intense.
can do. We see what they can do. So when we see a sign
Yeah.
with them, I say, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
but training gone so good so far, man.
Yeah.
You know, no matter how hard, me I stay locked in.
Yeah. You're not a choice. You have a
True,
brand to represent now.
true, true.
Yeah. Then we cut you. Then we cut you.
That man must have to get up every morning.
Yo, man, tell you.
choice now. And like
Not a
first time, I
choice.
can't say.
Yeah.
No, what
And
else?
you go through the rough fight already from younger coming up.
That are true.
Yeah. So this side is the easy
Yeah.
part. You get free clothes.
That that's the best thing for true. Like,
Yeah.
I get free clothes, I get free shoes and everything. They're like, I think
Yeah.
nowadays I'm just grateful. Like, me get up in the morning, every morning, just a smile, me I say, God, I finally reach our level now. Me go train, me come back, me smile again, me lay down in bed, me I say, anyway, this is my
It's
dream about.
nice.
Well,
Yeah.
best
For
feeling,
real.
man. Can't complain
For
for
real,
true.
man.
Can't
Enjoy
complain,
it,
man.
man, cause boy, that gonna be a fun one. That gonna be a fun one, right? And the
Definitely.
worst like this year, when they have a world challenge, I love to see
Yeah,
them in that. I lie. Isn't me?
definitely.
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
my time to shine again.
Yeah. My
Yeah.
time to shine. Yo, that's your catchphrase. My
Yeah.
time to shine.
My time to shine again.
Yeah, man. So you have any goals for this year you want to share, or no? You keep it to yourself.
Check my couple months right now.
All right. Now I'll check in. No,
Check,
no, no. I feel like I'm checking
definitely.
in. I'm checking in.
Couple months right now. Check.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. Let me have one next question. I will ask you. The middle distance are growing in Jamaica.
Yeah.
How you feel like it can become better knowing say you train at Jamaica for your time at a prominent club, most for sprint, but like what you think
Yeah.
Jamaica can do different for help improve middle distance from the high school level?
I think what I'm kind of difference, honestly, if more high school stay back, which I probably didn't think that happen. But if you realize like most Eton Jamaica elites usually left and come back in the US.
Mm,
Like nobody now stay home or whatever. So like most the only people that probably stay home if you run 100, 200 or 400, go camp paper
yeah,
races, they go all them camp there.
yeah,
But most they not stay home. And then one of the best thing gonna happen also, the group with the training camp when I was to keep couple months ago.
yeah,
Yeah. One of the best thing cause honestly, you have so much school. Like everybody come, you have you have a head coach, the under armor head coach, him come and explain to you. And then the best thing about it, now even do our workout. I mean, explain to
Yeah,
them, like why I'm doing this a workout, yeah, why I'm doing this rest and so. But
yeah,
I think most coaches know they're more educated about 800 meter now than back then.
yeah. Me see,
But
Navaski do one thing with like the blood and like when you say that test again, like blood
lactate,
oxygen, a lactate. Oh, sorry.
yeah,
Yeah.
and then that too.
So what that
At
do?
like, so like, alright, say you run right, you do a order. You test it and you see like how much pain tolerance you can go through, or are your heart rate,
Oh,
how high it is.
okay.
And you can see, for example, like I think we did this leather session or liver or something like that. I think Tuesday. So every
Yeah.
time I run like 1 minute hard on the treadmill, I stop
Mm,
my watch, I'm gonna check how high my heart rate be.
yeah.
And then based on your heart rate, I'm just say, alright, I'm gonna increase the speed on the treadmill, or I'm gonna decrease it. So I think once Jamaican coach know about, just science and everything behind 800 meter,
Yeah.
good I road, man.
Because that a go on for sprints already. I know you see
Exactly.
that. Me know you see that. That a go on for sprints already, yo. For real.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder why we don't. Well, maybe that what you say for real. Like we don't have nobody to stay home.
Nobody
You
nasty,
know, for
everybody
real.
a live.
Yeah.
Nobody nasty, cause if I think I say, alright, you're on 800, where are the next? Yeah, join a club there. You must have join a club there. No, I'm a sprinter. Straight
Yeah.
overseas. Nobody
True.
nasty, Nobody a cut. And you
So
can't
you,
blame them either.
so you know what win Intercal. I think Intercal worthy. Uh,
That's a man. Man, they were like, Intercolor Jamaica.
yeah.
Yeah, you know.
No fee
Yeah,
distance. Yeah, no.
exactly. Like,
Yeah, no.
and then honestly, nobody really watch Intercal though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nobody watch Intercal. The
Yeah.
first time I got Intercal, like I come from Chams, I look up in the stands and I don't see nobody. I mean, I say,
Yeah.
oh, when everybody come, nobody not come.
I hate that. I hate
Right, that
this.
nobody. The
Uh,
only people that Intercal are athletes, coach and official. That's pretty much it.
the boy.
Nobody not watch
Come
anything.
like COVID all over again, boy. Every day, every year. So,
Nobody watch man, but yeah,
lastly, advice to I
okay.
guess to your younger self or younger Jamaicans.
Anything is possible. Like, no make nobody tell us you can't do something. Even if them tell us that you can't do it, don't tell yourself you can't do it because you can do it. And it's a case where you have college or anything possible. You can come from a poor household. You know if you have nothing, but just hold your head high. Yeah, you have to make it. Once you hold your head high, and you know say you know what you want, you have to make it. Can't fail. And we are Jamaican tough. So
Yeah, resilient. Look at Otarawa.
that already out there way. But anything
Yeah,
possible, man.
man. Thank you, Kellyanne Beckford, reigning
You're
800-meter
welcome.
champion from Jamaica. See me, Miss cry herself, but you cry and win. I mean, but for you, man, thank you for you, man. You see me? Glad for your
You're
honesty,
welcome.
glad for your reasoning, man. And may I look forward to seeing that season. You see me? Yeah, hold on, you apply for go
Definitely.
indoor?
Yeah, I want to.
Ah, I'm going to. I'm
You're
like,
going?
me,
Uh,
go away. Me go there,
oh.
me,
Alright.
yeah, man, but give thanks. You see me?
Yeah, man. Anytime.